What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be changing this rear tube on this KLX110R 2022. I'm going to show y'all the easiest way that I've learned doing it. It's just the easiest for me that I've found out so far, because I like to change my own tubes because it gets expensive taking them to a dealership every time. I'm charging you 50 bucks every time. So I'm gonna get this bike up on this, get this back tire off, and then I have two brand new tubes right here. So I usually end up popping one because it always freaking happens, but I'll show y'all the easiest way for me. Alright, once you got your back tire off and everything out of here, leave your brake thing hanging there. Anyway, get you 3 these tire tools. It works the best with 3. Getting it off, getting the tire over the rim with 3 of them starting out, and a 12mm wrench to get that off the valve stem nut. And then yeah, let me show you how I found the best way. You're gonna go ahead and stick all 3 of these in here like this, then pull one. Pull the next one, pull the third, boom, it gets it popped out. You used 1 or 2 and you're sitting there trying to fight it to get it in. Freaking sucks. Then just work your way around. When you pull one, when you get one over, the next one will fall out. This is a 12-inch rim too, by the way. And, as you can see, I've changed this tube many times, and I have fought this thing so many times, and now I have found the way to get it. And boom. Then pull that through, reach in here, grab your tube, start ripping it out. And there it is. Oh, looks like my valve stem broke, that's why I went flat. And I'll just have to fish that out wherever it is. Alright, you get your new tube. I like to put just a little bit of air in it just to get it going. And then let's find where it goes in. Goes in right here. Well, hold on, I'm gonna get some baby powder and put all over this to help it slide. Alright, get you just some regular baby powder. What I like to do is just put some on there, start going around with it. Just cover this thing with it. Doesn't hurt to put some inside the tire as well, just to help with it sliding. Make a little bit of a mess, but yeah, it'll be alright. Alright, once you do that, man, I really need to get a new tire. It's wore out too for me riding it on the road. Anywho, this is the way I do it. Some people might do it different, but this is just me. So, just trying to get it lined up. where it'll go in. Tuck it down in there. And then see how good those are. And always take one of these. Go to the back side here. Do that. Flip it over to hold it down, and then I can stick my hand in here. Hold up. Alright, it did. But I pulled this tire back and I got it lined back up. So now we'll do that again. Take our tube, push it in here. Boom. This part is pretty tough, but there it is. Boom. Take your nut. Just get it started on there. Boom, and lift it up. Take that out. And boom, now it's started. And then just go around working the tube in. And tuck it back there behind the rim. And we'll loosen it up a little bit to give it a little bit of slack. All right. And then if you don't have one of these and you change tubes on your own, highly recommend this Bead Buddy. It is a lifesaver. It helps tremendously with holding it down. I usually start over here by the valve stem. Put that in there. And start on one side with your tire iron and work it around. It's going to get really tight over here, but make sure you keep an eye on your tube in there and don't pinch it, because I've done it so many times. I actually bought a 2-pack of tubes because I pinch them like crazy. And honestly, a good way to get this going is just to start pushing down on the tire. You can use some soap and water or whatever on this too, it helps. Slide it down. Boom. you can get it going pretty far around with your hand like this. And that tire is messed up for me, but yeah. Then you only really need 2 now, and just start going around, man. And it's honestly the easiest way I found of changing this out. As long as you don't pinch the tube, you'll be good to go, man. Hope this helps somebody. And yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like. I appreciate it. I'll be giving some more tips. Hopefully I can get this Yamaha seat cover on here soon and make a video about doing it, because it is tough with this curve in it. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe.